Hello, I am Jairo Morales. For my Java project, I created a student gradebook manager. This is a console application that helps teachers, for example, manage students' grades. Let me walk you through the code and show you how it works. So here we can see our README file, the same that we have on our GitHub. Perfect. We have here our student class. Here you can see our object will be the student, and they will have a name, a student ID, assignment scores, which uses an array, and an assignment count. You can see, oh yeah, here you can see also the assignment scores. Um, Here we can find a little loop here that will calculate the average for the scores that we add for each student. And then we have this calculate average, which will give a letter to the score of the student, depending right on the score. Yeah, it uses if-else statements to return the average into a letter grade. Then we have the gradebook manager, the gradebook. Here, if you can see, we use an array list. It is from the Java's collection framework to store all the students. We have our display all students function, find student by ID, display class statistics. We also have our function to save to a file. If you can see right now, I don't have any text file here. It automatically creates it. And then we have the load from file to continue working the next time we use the program. And finally, we have the Gradebook Manager class, and this is where everything starts. The main method starts the program, and here's the menu loop. For example, we have a welcome screen here, and this is our menu loop that returns until the user chooses to exit, right? And you can see, for example, here, scanner for this is for user input, and also we can see here the switch method, the switch statement that the menu uses for each case or option, let's say. Okay, so now I will show you how the program works. And so let me just clear this one. Let me start a new one. Grade manager. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, let me just check. Sorry, okay. So we have it here now. Okay, so if you can see, we first have this information, now save gradebook found, starting fresh. This is because we don't have anything to load right now. Okay, so let's say that we want to add a new student. We choose option 1, enter student name. I will introduce myself, Jairo Morales. The student name, I want it to be 23, which is my favorite number. Okay, so student added successfully, student ID 23, name Jairo Morales, average F, because I still have not assigned a score. So enter to continue on the menu and add assignment score. Let's choose option 2 and enter the student ID, which will be 23. And enter the assignment score. Let's say I had a 95 because I can give my score. And yeah, we can see a successful message here. Now, if I try to, for example, view all students, I will click enter, then give option 3. And it will display all the students, which in this case, it will be just one, with just me. And now, if you can see, it will show average 95, grade A. Perfect. Let's say I will update the student grade. So enter option 4. It asks me for the student ID, which I want to update. So once again, it is a 23. Okay, so has one assignment, and enter the assignment number to update. So let's say it will be 96. I'm sorry, invalid assignment number. So press enter to continue. Update student grade once again, 23. It will be the assignment number 1 because that's the one I need to update. Now I will enter the new score. So now it will be, let's try a different one, for example, 80. Okay, score updated successfully. New average is 80. So let's check it if this worked. So view all students. Okay, my ID, my name, and now the new average, which is B. So it's working. For example, we want to see how many students are in the grade A, grade B, for example. So we can see the view class statistics, which is number 5. And we can see right now we have one student that is in the average of the letter B, right? If we add more students, of course, we will have more information. And finally, we will exit the program. If you can see the saving gradebook data, gradebook saved successfully. Thank you, right? And if you can see here now, we have a file that was created. Okay, so now so now that we want to return or use the program one more time or a new time, so it will be Gradebook Manager. Okay, if you can see, we no longer have the message saying that there is no data. Instead, we have Gradebook loaded successfully from the file. Okay, and if we see all the students, for example, the option 3, we can see the previous information that we saved. So that's my code. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.